Hello everyone, I'm here with another video with handwritten notes for Biology Class 9 Chapter 2, which is Tissue. Before the video starts, if you are new, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more such videos. These notes are prepared from the NCERT Science Book Class 9. Here we start with the definition of the tissue. Tissue are those cells which are similar in shape and size and together perform a particular function. These groups of cells are together called tissue. Now the question arises, why these tissues are needed in our body? Tissues are needed in an organism to carry out specific functions, division of labor, to give the highest possible efficiency of function. There are two major types of tissues, plant tissue and animal tissue. They have some differences between them. Plant tissues are mostly composed of dead tissues, while animals are composed of living tissues. Both living and non-living cells are there in plant tissues. In case of animal tissues, they have only living cells in them. Mostly, plant tissues possess unlimited growth, while in animals, limited growth is seen. Plant tissues are meant to provide mechanical support, but in case of animals, the tissues support locomotion. If we cut a section of tissue and observe it under a microscope, most tissues can be differentiated from one another. But in animal cells, the differentiation of the cells in the tissue is little incapable. Let's see the further details of plant tissues. This is a flow chart of the types of plant tissues. Plant tissues are of two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissues. The meristematic tissues are further divided into three types, apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. The permanent tissues are divided into two types, simple and complex. Simple permanent tissue is divided into three types, parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Complex permanent tissues are meristematic tissue. These tissues have cells that are very active and always divide together. They are of three types. Division into three types is based on the location of meristems. The cells have dense cytoplasm, thin cellulose walls, and prominent nuclei. They lack vacuoles. The three meristems are as follows. First is the apical meristem. It is located at the tip of the shoot and the root. The function is to increase the height of plant and increase the length of stem and the root. Another is intercalary meristem. It is located at the base of leaves and nodes. Its function is elongation of stems and leaves. The next meristem is the lateral meristem. This meristem is located at the sides of shoot and root. Its function is to increase the girth of stem and root. It is also known as cambium. Permanent tissue. These tissues have cells that have lost the ability to divide. They take up permanent shape, size, and function. Cells undergo differentiation. Differentiation develops into various types of permanent tissues. There are two types of permanent tissues, simple and complex type. Here are the types of permanent tissues. We'll start with simple permanent tissue. It is of three types. The first one is parenchyma. Parenchyma is most common. It has unspecialized cells with thin cell walls. Usually it has living cells in them. Usually they are loosely arranged. Large intercellular spaces are found. Generally these cells are meant to store food. There are some cells of parenchyma that are able to perform photosynthesis. which is due to the presence of chlorophyll in those cells. These type of cells are called chlorenchyma. There are also some parenchyma cells found in aquatic plants. These cells of parenchyma have large air cavities in them. These cavities help them float in water. So, these parenchymatic cells are known as aerenchyma. The next type of simple permanent tissue is collenchyma. The cells of the collenchyma provide flexibility to the plants. They also provide mechanical support. They allow bending of plant parts without breaking. They have living cells in them. The cells of this tissue are elongated. They are irregularly thickened at corners. They have very little intercellular spaces. They are found in the leaf stalk, tendrils, and climbing stems. The third type of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. They have dead cells in them. The cells are long and narrow. They have thickened lignified cell walls. No intercellular spaces are found between them. They provide strength to the plant. The sclerenchyma is found in the stem, vascular bundles, and leaf veins. The next is complex permanent tissue, xylem. It is composed of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Xylem is a conducting tissue. It constitutes the vascular bundle. They have thick walled cells. Xylem cells are dead when mature. They have tubular structure. This structure allows them to transport water and minerals vertically. Xylem parenchyma is meant to store food, while the fibers provide support to the xylem. The next is phloem. It is composed of sieve cells, sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, phloem parenchyma. Like xylem, phloem is also a conducting tissue. It also constitutes the vascular bundle. Sieve tubes are tubular cells with perforated walls. Only the phloem fibers cells are dead and rest others are living cells. Phloem transports food from leaves to other plant parts. That's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button if you like it. Also, don't forget to check other videos for related diagrams and more notes. Do comment your views in the comment box. Share the video and save it for your future reference. Thank you for watching the video. Study well. Bye bye.